crazy. I gotta take this eyelash off. Hold on. I'm about to burn my bacon. But I'm cooking some breakfast right now. Making some bacon and a good cheese. And I got some clothes in the washer. I need to go grocery shopping today. And I need to, I don't know. If I don't go today, I'm going to go tomorrow. I need to go to the store. And I need to go to Walmart. Because I was going to make this, the little cloud mirror thing, like off TikTok with the LED lights and stuff. I went to Joann's last week and got like the filling. I got 2 bags of it. Because I was going to use my mirror right here. But, yeah, I don't want to use that one. So what I think I'm going to do is go to the store. And, well, I don't think I ain't going to do it. I'm going to go to the store and get a new mirror. So I don't have to use that one because, yeah, no. I don't want to, like, put it on there and then be having to take it off because I don't want it to stay on there permanently. So, yeah. I do not like how this skillet cooks my bacon. Oh, my God. This is going to be so damn crunchy and hard. Anyways, I'm filming today. Once I get done eating, I'm going to be talking about, reality. I'm going to be talking about Behind Her Eyes, the show, while I do my makeup. So it's going to be like a little chit-chat, get ready with me. I'm recreating a look that I already did. That way I ain't got to take no pictures because I already took pictures. So I'm going to be recreating a look that I did and talking about the show. And then also today, my check is supposed to come so I can finally get a new car. So I don't know what time the mailman is going to run because it's going tomorrow. Well, there's too much information. So I don't know what time the mailman is coming. So if I don't be able to go cash my check today, I'll be able to do it tomorrow. And I have a new car before this week is over. So I'm excited about that. So, yeah. But by the time I post this video, I'm gonna bet I already got my check and probably got a car. So, yeah. The bacon looks good crunchy, but I liked it. It's good. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to wash my face and get ready to go film the little video I was talking about. I've been using, let me show y'all. I've been using this face wash right here, and I really like it. I've been using this face wash. This toner is getting kind of low. This shit is $22. Ugh. I'm not excited to buy some more. But it works. I like it. And I've been using this this moisturizer. So yeah, those are like my main 3 products. And then sometimes I use this for my little dark spots. I don't have much, but I did. I don't know if it was a blackhead or something I had that I popped the other day. And so that left a little mark. So I just use this on my little marks. And then sometimes for extra moisture, I use this at the night mostly, this rosehip oil. So yeah, these are the products that I be using. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm cleaning out my cabinet. These don't on my floor because it needs to be vacuumed, but these are the ones that I'm gonna take to Goodwill. Just this pile, not this stuff. I'm gonna just take these to Goodwill. I think they're still like accepting clothes and stuff. I normally throw stuff away because I normally would procrastinate, take some stuff to Goodwill, but it's one that's really close by here, so either today or tomorrow I'm gonna try to take this stuff. It's probably gonna be tomorrow though. But these are the ones that I'm about to go through. This was the first pile. So these are the ones I decided to keep. Like I said, those ones that's going away. I'm gonna go through this pile. And then I also got like shirts and stuff in here that's like, because it's getting hot now, so I'm finna like take my long sleeve tops and put it in my closet and put it in like this drawer. So that's all I'm doing right now. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like now. At first, these whole two sections was jeans, and then this was just shirts over here. So now these are my jeans and shorts, and then these are my shorts. My shirts. Pajama tops and onesies, pajama pants and shorts. And I just put all my like long sleeve shirts and stuff in this drawer that's gonna go back in the closet. And I need to clean out this bottom drawer because I'm pretty sure like 95% of this shit I haven't used since I moved. So yeah, I just need to, like I said, just declutter it because I just got too much stuff that I don't use. And we finna move next month because it is March 1st today, and me and my sister are moving next month. And so the more I declutter and get rid of stuff I don't need, the less unnecessary stuff I can take to the new place. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally running some of my errands today. I decided to not do all of them because it's supposed to rain again. And I just started back exercising yesterday, as y'all saw. So I really want to get home and cook my lunch for the rest of the week and exercise and shower and stuff. So I went to Five Below. I went to Hobby Lobby. I didn't even go to Hobby Lobby to get what I was looking for. I was looking for a mirror. I didn't even know it was a Hobby Lobby over here. So all their mirrors was too expensive and ugly, and so I was like, nah. But TJ Maxx is over here in the same shopping center, so I'm about to get ready to go over there. And I already went to Trader Joe's and did my little shopping there. So yeah, I'm finna head to TJ Maxx, and then once I get home, I'll show y'all what I got. I won't show y'all my groceries because I'm always doing the grocery haul. So I'll just show y'all what I got from Hobby Lobby and Five Below, and hopefully I can find a mirror in TJ Maxx. So yeah. Okay, y'all, from Hobby Lobby, I got this. I got a pink one, but it's like really big, and all my purses are little, and it's kind of dingy too. So I just got black because you can't see if it get dirty. And then I got these to wear to work on St. Patrick's Day. Ain't nobody gonna pinch me, baby. And I got these because I'm gonna start meal prepping, at least for my lunch. I probably just cook my dinner regularly, but for my lunch for work, I'm gonna actually meal prep. It's only 3 in here, so I'm gonna go back and get some more another day. But I ain't want to spend all that money, so I just got the 3-pack, and I like these. And it's a airtight, microwave, freezer, dishwasher safe. So yeah, my other ones that I had like some rubbery tops, and my dad was like, you can't microwave those because it'll get like all bent. So when I warm up my food, I would always have to take the top off. But with those, I don't have to. And I got my mom a card for her birthday, but I ain't gonna show y'all that because she might be watching my video. And I got these LED lights that I was gonna put on the mirror and use this stuff for, but I still gotta go to Walmart because TJ makes still have no mirrors. And I got this cute candle. It's so cute, y'all, and it smells so good. And I like that it got the burn time down there at the bottom. I thought that was cool. Let me see what it smells like to me. It smells like a nice, clean, fine man. Ooh, y'all love a mirror cologne. If you a man and you watching this video, get you a good cologne. Cause baby, nothing better than a man that smell good. Okay. Hey y'all, so it's Wednesday morning. I'm trying to get ready for work. My hair is a fucking mess. And I really just don't feel like it today. Like, I don't feel like doing it. Yesterday I had like 2 bun-buns. My boss was like, we got some, I don't know who these people are. They're supposed to be coming to our job today. She was like, girl, I wear your hair like that. And I'm just like, baby. It ain't finna look too much better than it did yesterday, and I don't fucking care. Like, it is what it is. I was gonna get in the shower yesterday and coat wash it, and try to do like a slick back ponytail, but I didn't do it. Yesterday, I just was distracted doing other stuff, so I didn't do some of the stuff that I planned on doing. Ouch, that's tight. I'm probably gonna be late today. But I didn't work out yesterday either. So today I gotta get back on track. But yesterday I had to cook and everything. Like I said, then I got distracted talking to my sisters. First I was talking to my older sister, then I was talking to my other sister, and we was talking for so long. But yeah, like, this is just too much hair. Like, it's not easy to just put this in like a low bun or ponytail. Like, this is a lot. But yeah, y'all, like, that little workout I did at that one day, just sitting down to use the toilet, I'm just like, damn, like, I feel that shit. So yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 low ponies instead of doing like 2 buns on top of my head, so it can look a little bit more professional. So anyways, cause this shit still nappy, and I just don't give a fuck. Like, it's too much. It's too much. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair this weekend when I'm off work. What I'm gonna do to it, I have no idea. So I might go ahead and reinstall my wig, but like install it for real, so it can last like all week. Cause I never install my wigs like for real to make them last. So probably what I'll do. But here we go, 2 buns to the back. And it is what it is, bitch. I ain't put no gel on it or no shit. I don't want to put no gel on my hair. It's just too much work. And yesterday, I did do like my meal prep and all that. Let me show y'all. I got my chicken and my broccoli. That's what I made. I got one in my lunch bag already. I made my smoothie this morning. Because I'm trying to change my diet too. I don't even know if I mentioned it already. So, it's pineapples, peaches, strawberries, and blueberries with chia seeds. Because those help me stay full for a long time. And then I also have apple juice in there. I got one of these for lunch. I got a little fruit cup. and a little pack of cookies that I might not eat, but I just brought it just in case I do get hungry again. Y'all, it's 5:53, so I'm definitely finna be like just a little bit late to work. But look at the windows. Have the nerve to be icy the fucking day I'm running a little bit behind. Disrespectful as hell, I tell you. Yeah, so I just got off of work. My head been hurting for like the last few hours. And so I'm planning on just not doing nothing today because I went to sleep late last night. So I'm gonna take a bath, I'm gonna wash my hair and blow it out and do some more Bantu knots because there'll be something quick to take down in the morning. So I'm gonna blow my hair out again like I did last time. And I got my package from Shein, so I'm gonna be doing a haul. One of my items had shipped separately, so I don't know if it's in this package or not because it like shipped like the same day or like the next day. But at first they were saying something about it wasn't in stock or something they said. So I don't know if it's in that package or not, or if I need to be looking out for another package. So yeah, I'll look in there. But I'm finna end the vlog here because I feel like I've been vlogging for enough. I've vlogged enough is what I feel like. So I'm in the vlog right here, and I'll see y'all in my next one.